What is up, guys? Bullet JDM back at you. Today we're going to be doing some modifications to the Cappuccino. That's right. Today we're going to be putting on this steering hub, the NRG Shorty quick release, and then we're attaching the Momo Monte Carlo to it. Let's go. So the camera died and encountered some issues with the NRG quick release. Go figure. I was warned to not use those, but the pieces don't fit together, so I ended up just doing the Momo on the hub by itself for now until I get a new quick release. And next up, we're going to be doing the charge piping and the intake. So a little sound test before I get that installed. So I already blocked off my restart valve to get some atmospheric sound. So as you can see there, just to plug it off Amazon, fit right in there. Took it off with the restart valve right here. So this is the sound test before the intake. Hopefully we'll get some turbo noises once the intake's installed. So that's what we're working with at the moment. We'll get that installed and do another sound test. Alright guys, got the charge piping, Greddy charge piping, and the 01000 intake installed. Here goes nothing. Let's see if it works. It runs. Means I didn't screw it up too bad. Pretty solid. Here's the sound test. Sounds pretty good. Alright guys, next video probably maybe gonna do the exhaust, might do the front strut tower bar. We'll see what time allows for. I really like to get it up on a lift, so I'm gonna search to see if I can't find somebody with a lift to get that up on. But like and subscribe, keep following me for more cappuccino content. See ya. Totally spaced out bringing my GoPro for my test drive after installing the charge piping and the intake. And you can actually hear the turbo spool now, which is pretty awesome. I don't know if you can hear it, but it sounds awesome. Sounds like a turbo car, and this Momo is the perfect size for this car. It's great. I think it's a 330 or 320 millimeter Monte Carlo. It's perfect. Sorry for the up and down video. It's on the cell phone.